Oh, go on, my peeps, I don't know it's a work and I'm back at it like a jug of dick. I'm back at it like a jug of dick, people. As you can see by the beautiful thumbnail, by the beautiful title. You can see this is a message to the Mitchells. It's nothing bashing anybody, nothing negative. So don't come over here with no negative energy. Yes, things do happen in the past and we just have to look past it and we just have to say, oh, positive energy over negative. As always, right? As always. But before we get in the video, people, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit the post notification bell so you can be notified each time I post a video. Alright? So before we get into the video, right? Just take a B-roll and come back, man. Take a look at nature. Super. Alright, people, how you liking it? How you liking the nature? Good look, not true? Alright, well, let's get into the video, right? This is a very important story. I had to do something about this so that maybe they can see, and I hope they see this video. Me, the Mitchells, this is Wayne Marshall, big up yourself, Tami. You know, been doing a lot for other people out here where really, really understand the impact you have on other people's life. Because it's very important so you can entertain people, keep people smiling, because I have a friend, people, and I'm going to share something with you in the last part of the video, so keep on watching until the end. So I have a friend that was going through a depressing state where she was being depressed. Nobody gonna talk to her. She was in a state where she was feeling depressed, she was feeling down for a couple of days, probably weeks, and she was being depressed, and we were getting confused. We don't know what to do. We don't know what to do with her. And people, it does stress me out. It did stress me out to the point where me start stress out myself. Me start feel frustrated. Me start feel frustrated. Me start feel depressed. Like, me don't know what to do in my brain. Me don't know what to do in my brain. It's like me stressed out as well, and to the point where we can see her laugh again. It was so, me didn't even know how to find the word. Me didn't even know which part to find the word, but it was so, if you get what I mean, you know, when you feel, it's how my mind clouded right now, I can't find the word to say. And she was so going through a lot of things, and she lost some stuff, and we now get too personal like people in life. So what I feel to me, I get too personal. Me only share some of the things because it's a very interesting story, and I hope they see this. Hope you guys share the video so the Mitchell's family can see this. And me not judge the story too long. She's been watching their video, like she see the video recommended on YouTube, and she was actually watching the videos, like very looking at it, and Is a point where she start feel calm watching the video, start feeling calm, and we like ask her what's the issue with these video, what's the issue with these person, and she would say they're very calm people, and they just feel relaxing and welcoming, and it is very, 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 very heart touching to see somebody else influence somebody else, and it is real to see that other persons can be influenced by other people, and it really helps. She kept on watching it, and she feel much better, and she coming along until she can actually smile again. She actually smiled on one of her videos. I told her to watch the last video, like the video where they were refurbishing the bathroom. She actually watched it and she enjoyed it. Thanks to you guys, thanks to Wayne Marshall, Tami, big up on yourself. Big up on yourself, guys. You know, do great out here for other people and other influencers. Big up on yourself as well, because you know, influence other people, and we like that. So continue to do the same thing. Hope you guys support the video. I'm just sharing a message with you today, people, and I'm leaving something with you. At the end of the day, people, yes, you're going to struggle. Yes, you're going to go to a hard time. Yes, you're going to go to a lot of things, but pray, people. Pray. Just say a word of prayer, people. Just say a word of prayer. Just do something. Just don't let it get to you. Or if you find something that can actually help you, you understand? Find something that can help you, and it will work. So big up on yourself again. That's my message to all who the person who watch me and who's watching this video. Share it so they can see it. It's a very, very beautiful message. They have helped a young girl from depression and stress. You understand? So hope you guys share the video. It's a boy Rick here again, and send a big thank you again. A big thank you. Big thank you again. So big up on yourself. Peace.